I'm Daniel, and I'd like to provide a brief update on the status of the Pico Held II project. It's a DIY gaming handheld powered by microcontrollers and featuring an aluminum shell. First, I apologize for the delay. Unfortunately, I have been very busy lately and waiting for the 3D printed prototypes to be shipped from China after each iteration really slowed me down. However, the case and PCB designs are now mostly complete. I finally had the case CNC milled and the PCB manufactured in China and then assembled it at home. I'm really happy with how it turned out. It's super sturdy and gives the device a premium feel. On the bottom are the SD card slot, the USB port, the headphone jack, and the speaker outlet located. The external button bearing ensures that the buttons run smoothly and prevents them from scratching against the aluminum shell, as is seen in some commercially available models. The version you're seeing here is based on the brand new ESP32-P4 MCU. It is a very powerful low-cost MCU by ESP, and this is one of the pre-production engineering samples running a port of SNES 9X. You can find the sources on my GitHub account, though I have to admit I haven't been updating them in a while. An upcoming version of the handheld will feature the Raspberry RP2350 MCU. The PCB is already on its way to me, so I hope to post updates on it in the coming weeks. So stay tuned for that. A quick montage showing the evolution of the case. Once everything is complete, I plan to publish all the design and PCB files so you can build one of these yourself. I intend to make this a fully open source project. Well, let's see how that works out. The D-pad gave me quite some headaches, easily triggering false diagonals in earlier designs. Many iterations were necessary to improve its mechanical performance, and well, now it's HARDCAN capable. If you liked it, that's about it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and maybe I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.